Hi everybody, Mark here with My Engineering. Today we're going to spend a few minutes to look at two-dimensional cross-sections that we can pull from our scan data using only Artec Studio version 19. Two-dimensional cross-sections can have a lot of different use cases. You can be designing a new product label or final wrap. You can be scanning a window frame to generate a template for a new piece of glass. Or in the case that we're going to be looking at today, we're going to design a new gasket for the top of an engine. Now we're looking at Artec Studio 19, and I've already brought in our scan data. So in this case, we have a nice little engine block here, and the cylinder head is removed, which gives us this nice little flat surface across the top that requires a gasket. Now you're going to like how easy this is. All we have to do is on the left-hand side of our screen, select Measures. That opens the window. Second button is Sections and Volume. And then we want to use the first option, which is Unconstrained. That requires us to select 3 points on our scan data that will generate a best fit plane. So select one here, and we'll use one over at this end of the top. Now you can see the plane automatically gets generated, and there's a little bit of green lines across the top of our scan where the plane meets the scan. That's just where the actual data interacts. But what we want to do is grab the actual origin of the plane here, and we can push it down into the scan data. So you want to push it down a couple of millimeters or so that you get away from the rounded edges at the top. And then we want to hit calculate in the bottom left. Now you can see here where the red area, that's everything above the plane is selected. We can actually turn off our scan data now, and you will see this is our two-dimensional cross-section, and that is the template that we're going to want to use for our to cut a new gasket. So we'll save that section, and all that's left to do is select the section 1 on our window here. Down at the bottom, we can click export, and that will export it as a DXF file. Now, just in case you missed exactly how quick and easy that was, we can flip this engine block over, and we got another sealing surface here for the oil pan. All we got to do is, again, we can select our 3 points, 1, 2, 3. Then we can push our plane just slightly into our scan data. Make sure I get it all. Hit calculate. And we can save that section. And I'm going to turn off my scan data. And here's our next gasket. And so that's all it takes to generate two-dimensional cross-sections in Artec Studio 19. If there's any other workflows that you guys would like to see, let us know. Email support@myeng.ca. We always like to hear from you.